Greetings from Kolymbia Beach in Rhodos. Kolymbia is a small village on the east coast of Rhodos, just 6 kilometers away from the beautiful Tsambika Beach that I have visited earlier. And on top of that, I was running from Tsambika Beach to here. 6 kilometers, 40 minutes it took me. And the goal for me is to get to Paralia Mandomata, which is another nudist beach, as Tsambika has a nudist beach part as well. Now, after a 40-minute run, I decided to check out Kolymbia Beach. There is even a shipwreck at the end of the beach, on the shore, of course. But the city itself, or the village, it was not so much people there. Not many people there, I have seen. But the closer village here of Afantu has a larger beach that I think it's connected with this one, as I'm gonna explore along the coast. And I have 10 kilometers to get to Mantomata beach from here. It is quite a hot day, despite now the sun is a bit behind few clouds. 23 degrees Celsius in the air and 18.9 satellite measurement in the sea. Now this is not a beautiful beach at Tsambika, but it will do for a quick dip for me on this 9th of May 2025. This is how Kolymbia Beach looks like. There are lots of resorts here that are overlooking the sea, obviously, and here I am right next to the water sports of Kolymbia Beach. And yeah, it's time for a dip in the sea. Sandy beach we have here, but I spot some pebbles inside the water, and let's see how it actually is inside. Lots of beautiful sunbeds over here. I can see the big Afantu beach from here. It's almost 10 kilometers long, and I need to walk it to get to my next destination. But I will stop a few times on Afantu beach. So as I suspected, we have rocks here inside, but there is even a sandy area as well. And we can see all the way to Anthony Quinn Beach and hill at the end. That's where I'm going. It looks so long, but I need to get there. And let's see if I am going to make it. This is how the beach looks like from the water. And yeah, this is Kolymbia Beach. You would want to go to Tsambika Beach also if you're staying here, because you can either go by bus or run like me for 6 kilometers at just 40 minutes it took me. I can run faster than that, but I had a backpack with me. So with that said, let's then dive in here at Kolymbia Beach on this 9th of May 2025. Let's go! And I made another mistake now. I went with the GoPro. Now the water is getting in, so I need to clean my lens, which will take me more time. Ah, that's a shame. But at least we have seen also a bit of how the water is here at Kolymbia Beach. And quite amazing indeed. I really need some refreshment after the 6K run, indeed. Beautiful. Look at that. Amazing. All right. It's 9th of May, and which means that there are only 4 days left until the first semi-final of the Eurovision Song Contest. If you have been watching my channel and my shorts, you know that I'm a Eurovision fan. And I still don't know if I'm going to Basel or not, but it's about time to make up my mind, as I need to cancel the booking of my accommodation if I don't go. So yeah, let's see if I go or not. Anyway, today I'm exploring the east coast of Rhodos, and greetings from Kolymbia Beach on the east coast of Rhodos. And it's time for me to get along the coast to get all the way to Mantomata Beach, then the Nudist Beach. And my goal is to get there by 6 p.m. Let's see if I'm gonna make it. As I'm going to enjoy also along the coast, obviously. So cheers and greetings from Kolymbia Beach.